All right, here's a scrumptious treat today. It is National Banana Bread Day.
Yeah, and since we love a foodie holiday, let's bring back in cookbook author Courtney Hill.
Hey, girl, hey.
Hello. Glad to be back.
We're always happy when you are here. So, all right, simply, is banana bread hard to make?
Oh, no. Super easy.
You need the bananas to be the right amount of mush, though,
Yes,
right?
that's true. I kind of like mine to be about like this.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more
Because then they're
brown.
sweeter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and easier to mash.
Okay.
And just have a better flavor in the bread. So really, you kind of make banana bread out of like almost rotten banana.
Oh,
No, it's
gotcha.
perfect.
So like
Gotcha.
when your bananas are about, you don't want to eat them anymore, that's when you make the bread. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. So what ideas do you have for us tomorrow? Because it doesn't just stop. I mean, obviously we have the classic banana bread,
Yes.
but you have gone above and beyond.
Yes, I've got a couple tricks up my sleeve here.
Okay.
So we have, classic banana bread over here, and I like to make it in the smaller loaves just because I think they cook more evenly.
better, yeah.
And you can freeze one and eat one. You don't have to eat them all at once. And then over here, I have my peanut butter banana muffins. So they have a little bit of peanut butter in them, and you can put nuts on the top or not.
Or
And
chocolate
of course
chips.
You can put, chocolate chips. You can put nuts in the loaf too as well.
Okay.
But this is a little outside the box, and it is in the cookbook. It's
Okay.
banana roll-ups.
Ooh.
So technically, bananas and bread, just in a little bit different form.
Love
Okay,
it.
so what do we need to do?
We have our slice of bread here, and this is the bread I made on the back to school.
Oh, nice,
lunch.
nice.
So yeah, just take your
And you flatten it out? Okay.
I cut off the crust, flatten it out, and then you're gonna take like 4 banana slices and kind of put them down at the bottom.
Okay.
At the bottom,
Yep.
okay.
All right.
Looks good.
This would be fun for kiddos, I feel
Oh,
like.
Oh, for
Totally.
sure.
Yeah, okay.
And really, you could do any fruit as well. I like bananas, and just roll that up.
Just roll it.
Making mine as flat as can
Yeah.
be.
And kind of good stress relief too.
It
'cause you're just
is.
flattening out that bread.
Okay,
After a
there
hard
we
day,
go.
Tony's just
I
out there
know,
rolling
but
the
yeah.
bread.
This is good for breakfast too.
Okay, what now?
Okay, so here I have my little dish here, and I've got an egg
Okay.
and milk. So you're basically French toast.
Oh,
Oh,
fun.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got
Did I roll this right?
Yes, it looks great.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so dip it in the
Dip it
egg
in.
mixture and kind of
Both
roll
sides.
it around.
Okay.
And I had tongs, but I forgot them, so sorry, you're gonna have to get your fingers a little messy.
Okay.
That's
Then
okay.
we have a cinnamon sugar mixture here, so roll it in that.
Okay.
It's just rolling, rolling, rolling.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
All right, Carrie, I expect I lost a banana.
Oh, Tony!
I'll bring it to you. How about
Banana down.
I lost a banana.
that?
Okay.
And stick it in the pan. I have butter in here.
Stop it.
And I would suggest a nonstick pan, but also you want plenty of butter in there for the sugar.
I made mine, I rolled mine
Oh,
up like
you-
a croissant.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, you
I
did.
like that
I
idea.
didn't even think of that. That is so
That's why I
creative.
lost the
love
banana.
that.
That's a good
Okay,
idea.
hopefully
That
this
is a good
stays.
idea.
All right.
And just stick it right there.
There we go.
And
Okay.
just let it cook for a little bit, and then you're gonna take your tongs and you're gonna turn it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it. And then you put them on your plate. I would suggest putting it down on the side that was up, because
Sure.
otherwise it'll stick to the plate.
Yeah.
And a little whipped cream, a little banana.
It's kinda
Super
desserty.
good.
Oh, for
yeah.
sure,
It's
yeah.
yeah, a little bananas Foster-ish, sort of. I mean,
Yes.
Might add some
you could do
ice
something
cream
like
with
that.
this.
Now
oh
we're
my
talking.
goodness.
So a little different take on banana bread, but still works.
And bananas are so good for you. I don't know if everyone knows, but I eat a banana I eat a banana every day for
With
lunch.
peanut butter
Oh,
With peanut butter. I
Yes.
take it
and cottage cheese
with blueberries.
with blueberries.
that sounds delicious.
So I'm a big banana fan.
She snacks for lunch.
I'm a
That's what she
snacker.
does. Courtney, help Carrie get a better lunch that's a little bit more filling.
Hey,
That sounds like a snack.
It is a snack. Well, Courtney, thank you so much for stopping by. Can't wait to have you for the next National Foodie Day. But everything that we just talked about is in Courtney's Homemade. Visit her website, cookhomemade.net. On it are blogs with the recipes.